David, can you tell us about your finance offering at the moment here at Hurco?
Certainly. It's a new promotion that we're doing, and it's based on something that was very successful over in the States. We're calling it Fantastic Finance. The idea is that you put 10% deposit down, and then you have nothing to pay for 3 months. You can get up and start producing parts and earning money before you need to make your first payment. Once your first payment comes in, it's at 2.5% guaranteed.
Okay, now does this apply to, we've got several machines in the showroom here that are maybe X-stock. Will it apply to any of the models in your range?
It applies to all our machines, yeah.
Okay, now let's maybe look at a working example then. Let's take a VM10 for example. Have you got any numbers that maybe you could give us?
Yeah, so a typical package for a VM10 would be about £40,000. You'd pay your £4,000 deposit up front plus VAT, and then after that you'd have nothing to pay for 3 months, and thereafter it would be £675 a month.
Is this the peace of mind you think that engineers need at the moment in order to invest?
I think it'll really help. It means they can get up and start making parts before they're paying anything, and also they know they've got a very good guaranteed rate of interest. So the finance really isn't costing too much.